Have you made any money from the Launchpool videos we have been doing? Have you? Let me know in the comments below. How many tokens have you gotten so far? Because this is another one. This is another one. We are not trusting. Every single launch pool that shows up, there will be a video for it. There is a new launch pool that is starting today on the 13th of May, today for the next 3 days. So that means that this is extremely urgent for you to do. The first thing that you need to do is go into the description below, sign up for a Binance account so that you stop missing out on the free tokens that are being given out, and then we'll get into the video. Let's get those credits rolling. There is a brand new token that is about to launch on Binance through the Binance Launchpool. It's called NOT. This advert came out on the 9th, and I'm going to read it in part. This is project number 54, and it's a community token which onboarded users into Web3 through a tap to earn mining mechanic, and it will be available for 3 days starting today on the 13th. And then Binance will list this token on the 16th, which is 3 days from now. It will be trading with BTC, USDT, BNB, FDUSD, and TRY. And of course, as always, the seed tag will be applied. After the initial airdrop, more tokens will be airdropped to users continually and flow into the market. And then users from on-chain airdrop and wallet claim may experience delay in airdrop claiming. Here are the important things that you need to get about this particular coin. Now, there will be 102 billion NOT, and in the launch pool, 3% is being given out. However, unlike other tokens, once this token launches, 102 billion of them will be in supply immediately. There will be an hourly hard cap of 3 million in the BNB pool and 641,000 in the FDUSD pool. There are people who have been asking whether it is more profitable to put it in BNB or FDUSD. The truth of the matter is it depends with every single token. What you will need to do, and this is a calculation you have to do for yourself, is go and check how many NOT tokens will be given in the pool per hour. So at this moment, 3.6 million NOT every hour in BNB. And so you need to check how many BNB have already been staked, and then how many FDUSD have already been staked. And so that will tell you how many of that particular token per BNB or per FDUSD you will be getting. Accumulation for NOT is 1 billion per day, and in BNB it will be 873 million, and FDUSD it will be 154 million. And of course, in the description there will be the website for the token itself, their Twitter page, and their Telegram page, which you can be able to go and look at. So what is important for us here is how can we be able to take advantage and be able to participate in this particular token. The first thing you do is go to your homepage on your mobile, and then at the middle here, look for new listings. That's where you'll see NOT. Remember, we made about 32 res, and so that was some little money that we got there. And now here with NOT, it's about to start, and when you're watching this, it will have already started, okay? Once we click on stake, it will actually enable us to put some of our funds here. And remember, this is on flexible, so there will be no issue as to if you can remove it or not. We have dealt with this a couple of times. So I'll go under BNB, click on stake, and then all I just need to do here is click on maximum, and I can click on stake. Remember, you can do from 0.01 BNB, which is about $5. And that's exactly what we've just done in this one. Will not show me yet any rewards received, because as at the time of shooting, it's not yet started farming. But as at the time you're watching, remember, farming has already started. So then I'll click on FDUSD, click on stake, and here from 0.01 FDUSD, I'll just click on max here. Of course, I'll add some more as this starts. Click on stake, and successfully staked. So now all I just need to wait for me, by the way, is I'm waiting for the next 7.5 hours for this to start farming. And then I'll add in some more if I need to withdraw, I can withdraw, but I'm actually going to add some more so that I make as much NOT as possible. This is money that would have just lay in the earn wallet just doing nothing, or in the spot wallet just doing nothing. And as well, any BNB that is currently locked in the Earn wallet. Remember Mega Drop? This is also going to help. So I won't even need to do anything more. I will be earning from that as well. And then all this is very simple. Make sure that you get some NOT because it is free. It is free NOT. There's 3 billion about to be given out. And of course, that is a good amount to be getting every single day. That is a simple look at how you can be able to take advantage of the new token that has just started farming. Remember, it is farming for the next 3 days from the date that this video has gone up. When the token launches, you have the ability to turn that token to USDT or turn that token to BTC. That will be upon you. But please remember that if you decide to buy this particular token when it has launched, the price will be extremely volatile. So for your own sake, please do this method because you're getting free money as we're going in, and then you can be among us who are actually selling this particular token and making some $10, $15, $20. It doesn't matter what amount you're making. It was free money that you didn't have yesterday. But in the meantime, please check out this particular video that is showing up here. That will show you how you can be able to make a business out of doing P2P on the Binance platform. And I'll see you in the next one.